When we create a presentation in PowerPoint, the speaker's notes are usually vital. Very few people can present an entire show from memory, and even if you can, having notes for potential handout later can be helpful. We can use normal view to enter notes, but going into the notes page view allows us easier editing of the material. We can simply go to the View tab in the ribbon, and over in the Presentation Views group on the left, we can click Notes page. If we want, we can zoom in using the zoom control at the bottom right in the status bar, and then scroll as needed to get to the text box and click in the space there. Any notes we want to enter can then be typed in just as if we were in a word processor. We can even format the text for additional ease of reading. Drag over it, go to the Home tab, and go to the font group as we would normally do. Graphics aren't usually needed in the speaker's notes, but the program will let us put them in if we wish. But if we make a lot of presentations, we might want to modify the appearance and layout of the notes, and we can do this in the Notes Master view. Switching is easy. We again go to the View tab and click Notes Master in the Master Views group toward the left. And here we have at least two really useful tricks at our command. First, we can resize and reformat the space for the notes. Click on the edge of the note space, which brings up the sizing handles around those edges, and then grab one to make the note space bigger or smaller as we wish. We can select the sample text in it, and just as before, can change font, size, and anything else, just as if, again, we were doing word processing. But second, and equally important, if we need more space for notes, and sometimes we do, we can resize the notes thumbnail of the slide at top to allow more room for the notes at the bottom. To keep the thumbnail in proportion while we drag, we want to hold down the Shift key and then drag, for example, one corner toward the center. Don't forget to let go of the mouse button first, then the Shift key. Then, if you like, you can tap the arrow keys, left, right, up, or down, to move the thumbnail toward the center or wherever you want it. After which, you can go back to the Notes Master tab and click Close Master View at the center of the ribbon. From then on, if you print your notes, which is highly recommended, you'll have them formatted to your liking for that entire presentation consistently. And if you have to get up in front of an audience, having well-formatted, easy-to-read notes, courtesy of the Notes Master View, can help a lot.